welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector. So if you are looking for how to construct a perpendicular line, look up in the top right-hand corner of this video right now, and I'll put a link to that video. But as for this video is concerned, we are going to construct a perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector, two words there, two meanings. Perpendicular means we're going to form a 90-degree angle with this line that we have here. And bisector means we are going to bisect, which means our perpendicular line is going to go through the midpoint of our line segment AB here. So as far as the construction is concerned, it is pretty straightforward. There's only two steps. And on both of these steps, we're going to keep our compass open the same amount. So when it comes to constructing a perpendicular bisector, we want to put the needle of our compass on A to start off with. And we want our compass to be open at least greater than half the length of our segment. Okay, so we can kind of eyeball this and say the middle is, somewhere in here. So we want our compass to be open at least more than half, right? So I hope you would agree with me that that is more than half of my segment there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make an arc below our segment, and we're going to make an arc above, or we could just make one continuous arc that is above and below. So we'll just make one continuous arc. So we'll start here. And there's one arc, and we'll bring it back down. All right, so there's our arc with our endpoint on A. And so now we're going to keep the compass open the same amount, come over here, put the needle on endpoint B, and we're going to do that similar arc that we just did with point A. All right, and as you can see, once we do this, we should see an intersection above our line segment and an intersection below our line segment. All right, so now what we can do is go ahead and take our straight edge and line it up with these two intersection points here. And now we can draw our line, and this will be our perpendicular bisector, okay? So our midpoint would be right here. We could call this point M for midpoint. And now we have just drawn our perpendicular bisector, all right? So a couple things. We could say line segment AB is perpendicular to, and we'll call this line M. All right, so they're perpendicular. So we can draw our right angle box in there. And also M is the midpoint of segment AB. So we could say AM is equal to MB, since our line bisects segment AB. And that's how you construct a perpendicular bisector.